Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So I've actually seen a similar DIY project before. You basically take this canvas, you can use straws or the wooden sticks, spray paint them gold, and then add them to the canvas. But what I really like about how she put her own spin on it was the fact that she added this really high-end lighting to the piece. I mean, this in itself, the canvas and just the gold pieces is beautiful. But the addition of the light just took things up a notch even further. Like, look at that. That does not look like something that you can make yourself. Like, this is just so beautiful. Such a cool piece. So moving on to the next one, this involves some various wooden beads. Now it looks like they are doing the wooden beaded candle holder or vase, there we go. Very cool. We see that all the time on TikTok. And then we do have someone making some type of vase design here. They're adding some fairy lights or some white Christmas lights, and then some florals. So this is like pretty much just like a nice little like centerpiece. Cute little way to just kind of decorate your home. Nothing complicated there. And then we have this cool bathroom caddy that uses some popsicle sticks. So this is another very easy and simple project to do. And if you wanted to make it look a little bit less homemade, you could spray paint the popsicles a different color. Nice, simple project. So we have various wooden sticks here. Oh, wow. Very cool planter for the cacti. Very nice. So they basically just use probably an old tin can and then use the wood stain for the sticks. Very pretty. So we have this tea kettle here. And I painted it white. Ooh, look at these napkins. Oh, wow. Well, that's beautiful. Definitely has a vintage vibe to it. Oh, they turned it into a lamp. Wow, look how fun that is. That is really cute. Such a unique statement piece as well. Very cool design. easy DIY pumpkin. So since fall is on the horizon, I'm just throwing in fall DIYs here and there. So we have some tissue here. Looks like some muslin for the material. You can use probably any kind of material that you want though. Oh, that's cute. Very easy design as well. Yeah, I'm probably gonna pull out my fall decorations. Not this weekend, but maybe next. I usually wait until after Labor Day. So then we have someone making some cement candles. Doing the speckling technique, adding a little bit of speckle. Interesting color scheme. It's kind of reminding me of like the 4th of July. Cute. Nice, simple project. All right, we got some more of those easy pumpkins here. Well, at least that's what I think she's making. Looks like she did a different variation. Doesn't look like a pumpkin though, it just kind of looks like, I don't know, something gift wrapped. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give up the thumbs up the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.